My dear children, this is the fourth module of number system chapter. In this module also we are going to discuss the conversion along with the addition. Here we are going to convert binary to octal. Binary to octal. As numbers of bits increases, there is a need arise of grouping of bits. Octal number comprises of 3 bits. Octal number comprises of 3 bits. 3 binary bits are used to represent octal number. So how many octal number we are having? Only 7, right? 0 to 7. So look at the binary equivalent of each octal. 0 has to be represented as 0, 0, 0. 1 has to be represented as 0, 0, 1. And 2 has to be represented as 0, 1, 0. 3, like that we are having till 7. So each octal number having their own binary equivalent. If you want to confirm this, all these digits have to be divided, successively divided with 2. You will get the corresponding binary digit. How to convert octal to binary? Look at that, 352 will be the octal. So 2 can be represented in octal as 0, 1, 0. 2 can be represented in octal as 0, 1, 0. 5 can be represented in octal as 1, 0, 1. My dear children, you need to study the binary equivalent till 7. 0 to 7. It is compulsory. You need to study, that is by heart, the octal numbers and its equivalent binary numbers. Then only the conversion become easy. So, octal number 2 having the binary equivalent as 0, 1, 0. 5 having the equivalent as 1, 0, 1. 3 having the equivalent as 0, 1, 1. So, it has to be written as it is. 0, it has to be written like this. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That's all. That is the easiest conversion method. The only thing you need to study the equivalent binaries of each octals. The conversion from binary to octal. Binary to octal. If you are having a binary number like this, split all the binary numbers or group the numbers, digits that are 3 bits from right hand side. From your right hand side, please group 3 bits. If last group consists of 2 bits only, you can add 0 to make it the group of 3 bits. So this is the given number. This has to be written from the rightmost hand side. Then group into 3. So this 110 is grouped into 3. Then 110 again. Then 010. Then 11. Here look at here. 11 having only 2 bits, right? If you want to make it as octal, the only thing you need to put 0. That's all. So you will get. Now write the binary equivalents. Decimal equivalents of the given binary. So 110. 110 is represented as 6. Look at here. 110 represented as 6. 101. 010 is represented as 2. 010 represented as 2. Then 11. 011 is represented as 3. So look at the binary octal equivalent of the binary is 3266. Very simple. Only the thing you need to split the given binary number with a 3-bit group. Each group having 3 bits. If the final or the last group doesn't have 3 bits, then you have to add 0 at the leftmost side. That is the only thing. Then write the equivalent by octal number. That's all. Find the answers for these following. Please pause the slide and write the questions and try to find the solutions for all these questions. Then binary to hexadecimal. So as we discussed, octal, it is having only 8 digits, right? 0 to 7. As we are discussing hexadecimal, it is having 16 digit. So 16 digit, each hexadecimal number or digit having 4-bit group. Having 4-bit group. Octal having only 3-bit group, whereas 16, that is hexadecimal, having 4-bit group. So 0 have to be represented as 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0. Then 1 till 7 it is very same. Only the addition of 0 you can see in the equivalence. So if you studied octal, it will be easy for hexadecimal till 7. Then 8 onwards you need to study. 8 will be 1000, it is not 1000, 1000, then 9 1001, A 1010, B 1011, like that till F you need to study. So if you studied all these things, the conversion becomes easy. The conversion from hexadecimal to binary. Here we are having the hexadecimal as 8BC2. So first you need to write the equivalence. 2 will be 0010. C will be write the equivalence. It is given here also. If you want to check, you can have a look at the table. Okay, 2 is represented as 001. C is represented as 110. B is represented as 1011. 8 has to be represented as 1000. That is 1000. So this has to be combined together. That will be the resultant of hexadecimal to binary. So from the least significant bit to most significant bit you have to write. That's all. Or most significant bit to least significant bit. You can write this way. From the left to right you can write. So that will be the resultant of hexadecimal. Coming to the conversion from binary to hexadecimal. So how many bit will have a group? So 4 bit from right hand side. You have to group 4 bits each. So after grouping, you can just convert the corresponding equivalent in hexadecimal. Here the group of bits having only 4 bits. 4 bits. Each one having 4 bit. The same condition that we followed in octal. Here, if the last group not consist of 4 bits, then add 0 to make it group of 4 bit. At the left side, extra 0 is padded to make it of 4 bits. Here, make a group of 4 bits. That is the easiest conversion as we are studied in the previous module. The conversion from binary to hexa, binary to octal, octal to binary is very easy. Please answer for these questions. Find the solution. If you are having any doubt, put a voice message in the group. Thank you. I think you're all clear about how to convert. Then the next one is binary addition. How to perform binary addition? 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 plus 1 become 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 0 and carry to left. 1 carry to left. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 become 1 and carry to left. That is how this happens. As we are all knowing about, 2 can be represented as what? 1, 0. And 3 can be represented as 1, 1. Right? In binary, the 2 can be represented as 1, 0. Omit the most significant digit, that is 0. 2 can be represented as 1, 0. 3 can be represented as 1, 1. 4 can be represented as 1, 0. 5 can be represented as 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Like that it goes on. Right? So, if you want to add 1 plus 1, that becomes 2. How 2 is represented in binary? 1, 0. How 3 is represented in binary? 1, 1. Like that So we will have one carryover. If the number of 1 is in the even, then result will be 0. And n number of 1 will carry to left, where n is the number of pairs. If the number of 1s is in the odd, the result will be 0. And n number of 1 will be carry left, where n is the number of pair. Look at the example given. So if you want to add, the topmost layer is nothing but a carry. Okay. So here we are trying to add only 101101. Then 110110. So 0 plus 1 become 1. 1 plus 0 become 1. 1 plus 1 become 2, right? So we have to give only 0 and 1 should be the carry. Like this. It's just like a normal addition. Then again 1 plus 0 plus 1, you will get 0. That is 1 0. Again 1 will be the carry. Here 3 ones are there. So 1 will be in the result and 1 will be the carry. So what will be the resultant? 1 1. You have to take the entire thing. 1 1 000 1 1. Try another one. You can give addition result as the next. This is another example for the same thing, addition, binary addition. My dear children, the binary addition I will explain in depth while we are meeting in online sessions. Thank you.